Hi, it's meteorologist Joe Fearing, the Storm Team 8 Weather Center. A little warm up for us now. Good melting going on during Wednesday. Not going to see a whole lot in the way of sunshine. One thing you have to watch out for early Wednesday morning, a little bit of freezing fog, a little spotty, light freezing precipitation that can be around and not nearly as cold as the past several mornings. A lot of you have been down 0 or below the last few mornings. So if we stay in the 20s, that's good. And get that temperature up and over 40 during Wednesday, that's good too. There could be a little spotty light rain in eastern areas in the afternoon as well. We have a little low pressure system offshore. Then there's a big mess going from Texas all the way on up into the Great Lakes, western New York, big snow and ice storm. And that moisture is coming down in this direction. It's going to meet the cold air. Well, the moisture coming up from the south is going to meet the cold air coming in from the northwest. And it's a situation Friday that could really turn on us, and we could end up with a major ice storm here. So we got to be careful with how everything's coming together as we go for Thursday night into Friday. If that cold air comes in too fast and the amount of moisture that we're talking about an inch or two of liquid equivalent moisture that's coming up at us. So if the cold air gets too fast, we're talking about the ice on the trees and the power lines. That would be our biggest concern. For right now, well, we hope your heating source doesn't have to work as hard. Was above freezing most spots during the course of Tuesday. 46 at Chicago. We're going to try and take a shot at that number tomorrow here with temperatures 20s to around 30 to start Wednesday. Highs up probably in a 40 to 45 range. Lots of clouds, intervals of sunshine. Could be a little bit of wetness eastern 395 corridor Wednesday afternoon as that little low is sitting offshore. Dry Wednesday evening, then Thursday out the door with the umbrella, kind of sloppy with the rain coming down and the snow melting and the big puddles that'll be out there, 40s. And then rain into Thursday evening. By Friday morning when you get up, the I-84 corridor ice. And again, Friday, a big question mark. Temperature can fall into the 20s. We can ice everything up and it can be a real mess on Friday. So you got to stay tuned to the very latest forecast. Saturday is going to be cold in the low and mid 20s with a gusty wind, but at least that nice bright sunshine's back. Here's an idea. Look at all this moisture. We're talking about 1 to 2 inches of liquid, and if some of that or a lot of that falls when the temperature at the surface is below 32, you know what that means. Could have a big ice accumulation. 8-day forecast, it's going to be a pretty good first weekend of February. So we're looking at a storm late in the weekend that is going to be close. So we got to watch late Sunday into Sunday night. So Groundhog Day, a little thaw for us. By the way, January comes in 3.3 degrees below average at the shoreline, 2.6 below average inland after being 5.5 degrees above average in December. So big difference from December to January. And the shoreline, once again, is winning out over the interior as far as snowfall goes. Some places on the shoreline, especially the southeast shore, receive more snow with the blizzard than you get usually in an entire winter. All right, that's the latest update. Got to tune in to Gil first thing in the morning for the very latest update. I hope you're feeling well. Bye.